How did you kind of come about to create this company and come up with this idea to bring all of this together?
Yes, so I've been in procurement and vendor management now maybe 17 years. It's been a long
Oh,
time.
okay.
So I started in corporate America, first medium-sized companies and then corporate America, and really helping them understand their vendors and work with their vendors and, of course, diversify their vendors because
Right.
at that time I had my first business part-time. So I was working and hanging out with a lot of startups and small businesses that looked like me.
Yeah.
And they kept asking, how do I get into these supply chains? You know, what does their budgets look like?
Yeah, yeah.
Give me their contact information.
Yeah.
'Cause even so to this day, you can't really Google who's the buyer in certain companies, like unless you meet them.
Yeah, yeah. You got to do some like heavy stalking on LinkedIn. I would say is the
Exactly.
way to
Like,
go. Yeah, yeah.
like who
That's
should
a
I be
tip for you
talking
there.
to? Right. A lot of stalking, looking for those titles.
Yeah.
And this was before LinkedIn was even like the most
Oh,
popular
yeah.
place to find titles,
Yeah.
right? So still to this day, it's hard to find the right person that you're looking for to really sell your product or service to. So throughout the years, I spent so many, years working and consulting across the fields,
Okay.
different industries, different size companies. I worked on the buyer side to connect them to vendors. I worked on the vendor side to connect them to buyers. So I've been on so many different platforms, so many different portals that never really helped me as a buyer
Yeah.
or helped me as a vendor.
Just more of a pain, right?
More of a pain, just a lot of just technical information, but it didn't really track the relationship. It didn't track how many times I emailed them, how many times I met them at an event like home delivery, and then
Yeah.
it didn't track it also for the vendor themselves. So once I became full-time as an entrepreneur, I was like, I need to build an actual platform that I'm excited to be on as a buyer because now I'm a business owner and I'm looking at startups and businesses on a regular basis. But then as a vendor, how do I streamline this process so I can get into a supply chain myself now? So really wanted to digitize and be more than just the portals I was seeing out there that tracks the relationship in a transactional way, but not in a real relationship building way that people are trying to do through email now.